Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey friend. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I digital plan for the year 2024. I'm also going to be giving you tips on how you can digital plan as well as what I use. So if you're interested in getting organized and being consistent this year, then stay tuned. But before we get into the video, I'm going to need y'all to click that subscribe button, and also if you're not a part of the notification gang, then go ahead and click that bell so that way you can see when I post videos. Let's get into it. So what I use for digital planning is three things. I use my phone, I use my computer, but if we want to be realistic, I use my iPad. This thing will go with me wherever I go. Now, I do use my phone to digital plan, but it's something about this that just really motivates me. This is the iPad 9th generation, and also have the pen that comes with it. And I customized my digital planning to suit my needs. Now, I wasn't so consistent and on top of it in 2023 when it came to digital planning, but this year, if I want to keep my routine right, if I want to stay consistent, and if I want to really just hold myself accountable, this is what I'm going to be doing in the year 2024. So, with that being said, what I use is Notion. Notion is a single space where you can think, you can write, you can plan, you can capture your thoughts, you can manage your projects, or even run an entire company. It's up to you. It's your world. And what I love about Notion is the fact that it's so easy to access. You can access it on a desktop, on your phone, or even on your iPad. It helps me plan out my content, keep track of my goals. So when I open up my iPad, this is the first thing I see. I have a nice motivational quote that I got off of Pinterest. The only thing you need is to believe in yourself, and that resonates with me. But you can customize it the way you want, but I'm big on motivational quotes and things that'll just keep me focused on the right things. Also, when we scroll over, we have our widgets. Now you can customize your widgets however you want. I decided to customize them based on my life. This right here is my emails that I get from companies that want to collab with me and send me stuff. Also, I have the weather, I have my calendar, I have quick notes whenever I want to jot down something, and I also have reminders for the day-to-day, what I need to do throughout the week. And then I also have Notion. This here is Notion. So we're gonna go ahead and click back in, and I'm gonna show you my dashboard. So this is my dashboard. I actually took this template from another YouTube video. I actually watched Beautiful Cindy, her Notion tour, and I was able to get this exact template off of her link in her description box. But I did customize it to my liking. You can also hit these three little dots at the top, and you can customize the page however you want. You can go to customize page, and then it shows you your views. You can duplicate this page if you want, add it to favorites, all of that. I'm also gonna hit this on this side, and this shows you all of the pages that you have. And if you hit that arrow, it expands everything. So it shows you your today's schedule, all of the pages you've created. A lot of these pages actually came with this template. So we're gonna go back to my dashboard. This quote I actually made in Canva, but you can get any types of quotes off of Pinterest, or you can go to change cover, and you can actually like select any picture that you want. I decided to put my profile picture here, my dashboard, and then this is a quote that resonates with me. I also decided to add my own pictures. I love the beach, so what describes life is the beach for me. I'm a beach girl, so this is why I put my picture here. But I also decided to put this widget here. This widget tells me the time. Reminders, this keeps track of all of my reminders to remind myself what I need to do. And the best part about it is, like I said, if you happen to forget your iPad at home, you're not carrying around a laptop, you can access this on your phone, guys. This is one of the pictures I decided to put here, and I'm still in the process of customizing it because this was different last year. So I've been in the process of customizing this and changing it to my liking. That's the best part about Notion. You can change it up, you can customize it, you can make it your own, and you can organize as much or as little as you want on here. I have this is a playlist, so if I really just want to get in my zone, I can just pop in my earphones, press play, and it'll play a playlist that helps me focus. You can choose any playlist that you want. You just hit those 3 dots there and view original, or you can replace it however you want. This is actually a Spotify playlist that came with this template, but you can choose any Spotify playlist you want. Just log into your own Spotify and choose a playlist to your liking. This is also a GIF I decided. For those of you who know me, who follow me on Instagram, y'all know your girl loves coffee. So this is just something that I decided to put here, but I can always replace it. And what I do is I go to GIFs. This is how I found this. I went to GIFs. You can, however, upload a video or a picture if you want, but I just typed in iced coffee and chose the one that I like. Even if you wanted to choose something like self-care or anything that resonates with you that you want to see on your Notion dashboard, then you can do that. Like, it has just different stuff that you can choose. These are default sceneries that you can choose as well. You can even choose a link for an image link. And this, I actually got this off of Pinterest because self-care is something I really want to focus on this year because I was lacking in that, okay? For all you new moms, y'all know how I be. The kids come first. So, yeah. So we're going to scroll all the way up. And we're going to go to schedule and tasks. This is an example of my routine as far as schedule and tasks. For today's schedule. You can also filter it. You can also check it off whenever you're done with your routine. This week's task, you can add whatever you want, and then you can go as detailed as you want. You can put what your task is, when you need to do it, whether you started or if it's in progress or if it's done. You can add comments, updates. You can do whatever you want. Okay, the world is yours. So let's go back here, and now that you've seen the schedule, the task, you can also put monthly goals. I have my 2024 goals here that I can just click into, and then it'll be a list of my goals. But I like to keep my goals private for the most part, but I will show you this manifesting tab. So we're gonna click on manifesting. And this is something that I chose to customize. This is actually my vision board for 2024 that I actually made using Canva. So yeah, if you're not sure how to use Canva and navigate that, I will link that video below as well. But yeah, speak it, think it, and know it into existence. If I click that, then that will lead me into another page where I have everything listed out. It just goes on and on, you guys. And I'm the type of person that I organize everything. I'm a list person. So Notion is like heaven to me, because as somebody who's so organized, who always has so many lists, a list within a list, baby, I'm your girl, okay? List, dates, times, like, yo, I'm that girl. I'm that girl. So anyways, we're gonna go back. And it just shows this month's goals. And then we're gonna go to the habit tracker. So this is personal. We have habit tracker, journal, travel log, budget tracker, recipes. If you're thinking about making recipes, you can just write that down. Everything is in one spot, okay? Everything is in one spot for you to access. Anything you can think of. There is no looking at this list and looking at that list. Everything is here. which is why I love it. If you want to try some new workouts or add some new workouts to your workout routine, this is where you go. So if you have a morning routine, for instance, you want to stretch warm up, this is a list of things you want to do, how many you want to do it, and then you can check it off like that. Like I said, these, you can find all of this clip art and everything. You can Google it, or you can find it on Pinterest. That's where I found my clip art. And I like aesthetics, you know, stuff like this is motivational for me. You can customize it however you want. If you just like it plain Jane, that's fine too. But yeah, this shows your morning routine, evening routine. You can even customize it like, hey, this is my afternoon routine and this is how I want to work out. If you want some like workout equipment, you can put what you want to order under product order. It's yours. You can adjust it however you want. Like as you can see, I can stretch this out. If you want 3 columns, you can even put 3 columns rather than 2, or just 1 big column. So we're gonna go back and I'm going to show you the habit tracker. So this is how I customize my habit tracker. As you can see, I have the flower here and the flower blooming. That represents me, okay? I'm trying to bloom into my best self. And yeah, as you can see, these are within 3 sections. So you can customize it. You can make this bigger or smaller. Sorry if it seems like it's glitching. And then you can track your progress as far as your daily habits, because daily habits are super important, because daily habits really have a huge impact on your future. So that means if you're eating crappy, you're not working out, you're not taking care of yourself. Like imagine if you just never brushed your teeth, okay? Every day you just decided not to brush your teeth. That would really be detrimental to your health in the future and now. Everything you do now is you choosing your future. So daily habits are so important. So whatever helps you out, whatever helps you continue to be consistent with healthy daily habits, that's the best. Okay, we have journaling, travel log. Let me show you what that looks like. And again, I'm also gonna link this template down below so you all can look and customize it the way you want. There were a lot more pages that I actually deleted because it didn't resonate with me. This is actually how this was customized. The only thing I've done was make edits to the travel planning template, but as far as this whole page, I haven't really done much on it. Let's see here. We're gonna go to our study room. So as you can see, this says work and school. As far as my work stuff, I like to keep that private, and I honestly don't really need to put any of my work stuff in Notion because I track my work stuff on my work computer. I just like to keep that separate. But I do Fiverr, so I will eventually be incorporating Fiverr into this Notion. Study room. We're gonna go to study room. So if I were to take classes, I could put the name of my class, and then I can put what days I would have to attend the class, whether that be online, on camera, or going to the campus, and then I can just put whatever I want down here. Go back. Okay, so in study room, we have a playlist or a productive playlist. You could put whatever playlist you want on here. And by the way, depending on whether or not you're using mobile or your desktop or your iPad, things can kind of look different as far as the imaging. So like I said, you can customize it the way you want. And this also can be viewed in landscape view as well. But right now I'm viewing it in portrait view. So yeah, you can track all of your classes and do it that way. So this is my study room and how I chose to customize it. So next we are gonna go into strategy and plan, because this is how I plan out my content. I'm still in the middle of customizing my brand kit and everything, but not only do I have my strategy and planning as far as my posting schedule and everything, I also have a list of videos that I do and when I'm gonna do them. I also have my goals as far as YouTube and then my branding. So this is a work in progress, but you get the gist. Now, as far as digital planning, another useful tool, if you just wanna jot something down real quick, is GoodNotes. So with GoodNotes, you can either have the notebook template or you can just have a plain piece of paper if you want to. It's really up to you. You can write in here if you want. Write your notes, you can change your fonts, your colors, all of that. You can doodle in here if you want. It's really up to you. So this is how you change your pen colors. My iPad pen is dying. But yeah, you can customize your colors if you want. You can use your color history. You could even change how your pen writes. Now, I use the free version of GoodNotes, but you can pay for it if you want the extra perks. But with the free version, I think you're limited to what you can do, but it's worked for me so far, but I mostly use Notion. So yeah. So yeah, this concludes my Notion tour and my digital planning video. If you all want a more in-depth tour or in-depth Notion tutorial, please let me know. I'll show you all how I customize my template and how to also create a template. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give me the big thumbs up. Also, if you're not part of the notification gang, then what are you doing? Go ahead and click that bell so that way you can see when I post videos. Until next time, peace.